try. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was supposed to go get some Valentine gift kind of thing for my kids, for the girls school, but the thing is I don't know if I'm going to go with you guys, you know, it's kind of like show you. So you guys, if I do go, I'll definitely take you guys along with me, or I'll put the video, you know, I'll definitely insert the video in this vlog. I just dropped the girls off at school, and now I'm back. I'm just trying to clean out and just make breakfast for these two smallies right here. So yeah, and then try and get my workout in and all of that. So
could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe, and right away I'll so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I. I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
So hey guys, I am back home. We finally did the Valentine grocery. We finally got the things that the kids will need for their Valentine party tomorrow. And yeah, I wanted to cook. You guys saw me make beans in the morning, but I don't think I want to eat beans right now. And these children, I'm currently just craving something else, to be honest. You guys, I am currently just craving something else. So I don't know, but I think I'll just go ahead and order something to eat. Honestly, I'm just tired after going for the Valentine's Day, whatever. I'm just tired at this point, and you see, once I put on a robe, it is over. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and order something to eat, and yeah, let me go ahead and get some.
Still holding tight through every fight. 'Cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go.
What about here? It's yours now. So we came out. And there it is.
Keep me good.
Thank you, Mommy.
Jovan, can you wait?
Stop acting like a baby.
Oh,
Thank you. I like it.
Jovan, wait. Tiffany, have you taken your own?
Mommy, where's my
Jovan,
own?
mine, okay.
Double it. Mommy. Double up. Mommy, did you? Thank you so Mommy, much. Did you get any more burgers? You don't eat burgers. I want to burger.
That's your own, either.
See you, Debbie? Yeah. I want ketchup. Mommy, where's the ketchup? This ketchup looks so good. Spicy ketchup. Hey, look. Already have ketchup. I know. I just want to take out the whole burger and eat. What?
This ketchup will taste so good. I love ketchup. It's fine and stuff.
Mommy, hi guys. This video is the best video ever.
But how did they can't eat first when you're done eating? You go find it.
We're having water breakfast. So good. Guys, if you want to come to this water again, you click on the like.
If you like Whataburger, give us a big thumbs up.
You told me that the shade's turning brighter. I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter. Time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So guys, we are done, and honestly, the kids are going to bed because they go to bed at 7 p.m. So they will just be getting in their bed. Olivia is just trying to finish up the cleaning, clean out the table. And the house is really messy right now. But honestly, this is one of those nights that I just don't feel like doing anything. So I'm going to be going to bed. But not to bed. For me, I'm going to... Gia is crying. She does not want to be in her crib. But for me, I'm going to be editing this video right now so I can post it. So thank you guys for watching. If you've gotten up to here, I'm definitely officially closing this vlog here. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Probably the Valentine's Day. I'm planning on doing something for Valentine's tomorrow. So probably the Valentine's Day video, so you guys will be seeing that. I'll just try and see if I can film. I'm trying to do something for them, maybe like we have brunch or something. Oh no, brunch won't be possible because they are having the Valentine's in school. So I'll probably do like a dinner for us. I'll try and cook something special for all of us. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do tomorrow. I'll kind of like cook something special for us. So before they start shouting and yelling all over the place, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not done that already. Click on the notification bell, and please don't forget to share this video. Leave a comment down. Tell me your favorite part of this vlog. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.